to show you how we can make hard reset on Premio S88. How to make hard reset on Premio S88. Okay, you have to let me show Premio S8. Today I'm going to show you how to make hard reset on Premio S88. After that, we maintain on the same time volume up and power button until the phone come on. Then we release the power button and then we select on the recover mode. The first one, we use the volume up to select. After that, we accept the command. We press the command with the volume down. You see this logo is coming. What you must do here, you must press volume down on the power button. Yes, we press the volume down and the power button on the same time. Here you have to come to wipe data in factory reset. We use the volume down to come down and the volume up to go up. So we press the power button to accept the command wipe data. We go down and we press factory data reset with the power button. What we are doing, we do what we call hard reset on Premio S88. We're going to reboot the system. We reboot the system. You can see automatically the phone is going to be reboot. It's going to take a few minutes to open. I put it here so that you can still watch it, what it's doing. Okay, you can see here the phone is finished. So this is what we call hard reset of Premio S88. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel Tech Skill Base. When you subscribe, you support our channel, and we give us also the option to send you the notification for the new videos. Thank you very much.